Hello everyone. Welcome to Nexa Fix Tech. Want to get BeeTV running on your FireStick? The installation only takes a few minutes, but there's one setting you need to change first. In this video, I'll show you how to install BeeTV on FireStick step by step, and I'll also cover an important safety tip before downloading any APK. Step 1. Enable sideloading. From your FireStick home screen, go to Settings right pointing arrow My Fire TV right pointing arrow Developer Options. Select Install Unknown Apps and allow the downloader app to install applications. Step 2. Install Downloader. Go back to the FireStick home screen, search for Downloader, and install the official app from the Amazon App Store. Step 3. Download BeeTV. Open Downloader and use a verified, trusted source for the BeeTV APK. BeeTV isn't available through Amazon's official App Store, so installing it requires sideloading. Step 4. Install the APK. Once the download finishes, open the APK file and select Install. After installation, you can delete the APK file to save some storage. Step 5. Launch BeeTV. Open BeeTV from your apps list and complete any initial setup or permission prompts. And that's it, BeeTV is now installed on your FireStick. Remember, because this is a third-party APK, always verify the source before installing anything. Subscribe to Nexa for more FireStick tutorials and streaming guides.